That is not nice. Something was wrong. She didn't know what's wrong. And I don't know if she's here. And she girls look nice. Here, let me sit.
I said you probably ran.
I did.
Come on. Oh, the door's locked.
I'm on this side.
There we go. I'm in the middle all the time, so I guess.
We have a special delivery. Let me call you sweetheart, I'm in love with you. Let me hear you
This is
whisper
Miles, 8th grade
that
study
you
hall. Please
want
go to
me
the conference room.
to.
Thank you.
Keep the love light glowing in your eyes so true. Let me call you sweetheart, I'm in love with you. Let me call you sweetheart, sweetheart, I'm in love with you. In love with you, with love from day.
And you were hoping someone else.